MRI dynamic liver or HBS films. The first one is T2 coronal. Second one is T2 trophy coronal. And then T2 axial, T2 trophy axial. This is a fat set protocol, trophy fat set. And then T1 opposite in axial, and then diffusion, and then non-contrast T1 vibe, and then arterial phase T1 vibe fat set, T1 vibe fat set, portal venous phase, T1 vibe fat set, venous phase, T1 vibe fat set, delayed phase, and T1 vibe coronal delayed.